Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure sales strategies with G2, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure sales strategies using G2, begin by logging into your G2 account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various features tailored to sales strategies. Click on the Sales Strategies tab located in the main menu. Once in the Sales Strategies section, select Create New Strategy to initiate a new plan. Choose a relevant name for your strategy that reflects its focus and goals. Next, define the target audience for your sales strategy. Consider key demographics such as job titles, industry, and company size. After defining your audience, move on to selecting specific G2 buyer intent data. This data helps identify potential customers who are actively searching for solutions. From the available options, choose the metrics that align with your sales objectives. You can filter leads based on criteria like engagement scores and product reviews. Once you've selected your metrics, proceed to set goals for your sales strategy. Clearly outline what you wish to achieve, such as increasing lead generation or improving conversion rates. Now, it's time to integrate your strategy with your existing CRM system. G2 offers integration options for popular CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot. Follow the prompts to connect your G2 account with your chosen CRM. After integration, you can map out the sales funnel stages relevant to your strategy. Identify key touchpoints where you will engage with potential customers. Next, create a timeline for implementing your sales strategy. Establish deadlines for each stage of your plan to keep the team on track. Once your strategy is in place, monitor its performance regularly. Use G2's analytics tools to gather insights on how well your strategy is working. Make adjustments based on the data you gather to optimize. Finally, collaborate with your team to share insights and learnings from the sales strategy. Encouraging feedback can lead to continuous improvement and greater success over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.